Hey guys, today we're playing Incredibox meow. Yeah. So there's only like 4 voices. So this one's gonna be like unique, and there's one bonus. So let's start with beat one. Okay, pretty basic. Okay. Okay, now beat two. Okay, pretty boring. Beat three. Okay, some good hi hats. Okay, now this like picnic basket. Oh, I like that. Hey, okay. Beat five. Okay, pretty basic. Okay, now effect one. Pretty I don't even like it. Hmm? What kind of... Okay, no. Okay, effect two. Okay, two ducks in... Oh, no. Okay, effect three. Oh, I like this. Hey. Okay, effect four. Okay, effect five. Ooh, cafe. Okay, now. Melody one. Ooh, hey. Okay, now. Okay, now effect the... Hey, I like this guy. Okay, melody four. Oh, okay, now this vending machine with a cat face. Okay, now we got this red tornado. Okay,
Going through the night, playing with the stars alongside you, can't you see? It's so bright under the moonlight.
nah. Okay, now this bunny with green ears.
La 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 la, oh, someone is a we
I don't like
go.
fire. Okay, now this wheel. Hey. Oh, I like that. Okay, now this broken TV. Oh, okay, now the bonus. Bro, why am I thinking of that? Okay, now let's make a mix. Okay, bye. I gotta charge.